Have you ever wondered how devastating the forces of nature can be? Shaking earthquakes, swallowing tsunamis, sweeping storms. These are not just images in movies. They are heartbreaking realities that have been happening all over the world. Join us to explore the most horrifying moments that nature has created and find out why we need to protect this planet now. The sky suddenly darkened, signaling that a storm was coming. Rain began to fall, water droplets rolling down and condensing on the car window. The rain fell heavily, as if penetrating deep into the endless night. Dense snow makes traveling by vehicle extremely difficult. The snow is as thick as a layer of soft cotton, creating a white blanket on the ground. High water currents make the movement of vehicles extremely difficult. It emerged from the deep ocean, billowing and roaring. The storm seemed angry, blowing everything away in its fury. Sand and debris were thrown into the air, creating an endless vortex of chaos. The rainwater rotates, forming small vortices, then slowly disappears into the ground. The forest was covered in black smoke, seemingly immersed in a layer of darkness. It looked like a giant fire python wrapped tightly around the city. Volatile lava flows, like winding ropes of fire, flow down the mountainside. The fire enveloped everything with red light and destructive heat. Prolonged heavy rain has caused this place to be submerged in a vast sea of water. The immense stream of water engulfed the house, rolling it into the endless sea. The large iceberg suddenly collapsed, falling into the ocean with a resounding roar. The storm was fierce, the rain falling white, blurring all traces of the outside world. The sudden sound of thunder tore through the silence of the dark night. Prolonged drought has left this area bare, without any trees left. The fire spreading throughout the forest, burning every tree and bush. The flying sand caused serious traffic obstruction. The volcano erupted. Thick and misty smoke covered the entire space. Lava carries extremely high temperatures, burning everything it touches. The column of smoke from the volcano rose white, spreading in space. All around, can only be seen a vast, turbid sea of water stretching endlessly. Floodwaters carry destructive power, washing away everything in their path. Dark clouds covered the sky, covering the sea, signaling an upcoming natural disaster. The appearance of a tsunami makes people terrified, filled with fear at the terrible power. Black smoke billowed out, covering the vast sky. It was like a giant angry monster, devouring everything around it. Cars parked outdoors were dented, glass shattered by large stones. Hail fell violently, cracking car windows into thousands of pieces. Dark smoke and thick ash rolled up from the mountain crater. The fire broke out fiercely, causing people to panic and flee in extreme fear. After the storm, everything was destroyed. Only ruins remained. After persistent rain, the water rose quickly, creating a fierce flood. Landslides are caused by strong flowing water, eroding and washing away everything in its path. The tornado roared like a ferocious monster, sweeping everything in its fury. Heavy rain and strong winds blew fiercely, making the turf become bumpy and chaotic. The white rain poured down, and the wind howled like a hysterical howl. Dry soil makes it difficult for plants to grow. Surrounded by a brilliant brown color, sandy soil colors spread everywhere. The giant white tornado swirled around, covering a large area with white. The volcano stands tall like a powerful giant, rising high in the landscape. A threatening but also extremely majestic scene appeared before my eyes. Before the rampage struck, this place was once a beautiful and peaceful land. The rushing flood swept away the car, swirling it into the raging water. The fierce white wave rolled, intense and unceasing. The flow of lava that spilled onto the ground transformed everything it touched. Smoke and dust swirled around, seriously blurring vision. The sky began to brighten, ready for the next journey. The Earth is calling for help. Disasters are not just statistics, but also the heartbreaking stories of millions of lives. We don't have much time left. With every passing second, the situation becomes more serious. Take action today with the smallest things. Save water, reduce waste, plant trees. Together, we can create a wave of change, protecting our common home before too late. Please share this video so our message reaches everyone. Thank you for accompanying Protect Nature.